Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode, actually let me look because I have no idea. Today's episode 6 for the Back to Basics for Beginner Makeup series. So today we're going to be talking all about contouring, so how to contour the face. So I already have my foundation on and my brows already done. So I'm going to be contouring my face for my face shape, but I'm also going to be giving some tips and tricks on how to contour your face. So let's get started. So we are going to be using a cream contour product today. Today I'm going to use the Makeup by Ariel Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. This is in the shade Fair. I haven't used this one in a while and I wanted to use it for this video just to do this one again because I really do love this contour stick. So what I'm not going to do is I'm actually not going to swipe it on the face because I feel like that can get really messy, but I do sometimes do that. For a brush, I'm going to use the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the 14 brush. I want to use something that is small like this, that is easy to blend and contour with for like any for really precise application. Okay, this is in the shade Fair. I think I already said it, I don't remember. I'm going to pick up some of the product on the brush. We are going to start contouring the cheeks. That's where I typically like to start the contour. For me right now, since I got shorter kind of curtain bangs, I don't contour my forehead. You really only see a little bit of my forehead. I don't contour it, but I'm going to show you how I used to contour it before I had shorter bangs. So I'm going to take the product. I'm going to kind of blend it on the back of my hand just to distribute some of the product throughout the brush, just to pre-blend it for the application. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow where my ear is, kind of like right there. I'm going to start about right here. I like to just do some stippling motions. If I don't have any foundation on underneath, like if I'm doing underpainting with a contour, I can do a swirling motion. Since I am not underpainting, I'm going to doing patting motions. And then once I have the product where I want it, I can start switching my motion and do like a kind of swirling motion just to blend that out. I did want to quickly mention too that I actually do apply my nose contour with the stick and then I go in with a brush to blend just for that part. So now I don't really like to contour my jawline for an everyday look. I have been really liking to do it when I for an evening out makeup look or special occasion. That's when I contour my jawline. Typically for an everyday type of situation, but I just want to show you all of the contouring bases for this video. Now that I stippled it on, I'm going to switch my motion and now kind of blend the edges. For my forehead, I kind of like to, so I have a really big forehead, so I like to actually contour the sides of the forehead and the top. So I'm going just still the same application, put some on the brush, and then pre-blend it on the back of my hand. I'm going to start stippling on the side of the forehead, really get it close to the hairline. Same thing on this side. And then I'm also going to place contour right in this area on the top of the forehead. Switching my motions and doing the swirling motions to blend. Okay, now let's move into doing a nose contour. So I actually like to really kind of focus it here as well, just to contour that part of the eye. So I'm going to take the stick and I'm actually just going to draw a line kind of like right in here first and then bring it down, kind of like right in there like that. And then I like to kind of create a V shape right on the tip. And then I've been kind of starting to do it right here as well, just to create that button. And then once I have a placement down, I actually switch my brush. I don't go in with this brush. So I'm going to use this brush. This is from Morphe and Ariel. This is the A14 brush. I'm just going to start stippling this and blending it in. But I sometimes do go over it again if I kind of blended it too much, or if I feel like it needs a little bit more. Okay, so that was how to contour the face. So in the next video, we are going to be talking all about how to warm up the face using bronzers.